How to use Instagram subscriptions for creators. Instagram subscriptions let you charge a monthly fee for exclusive content, and to start it there is an eligibility to be able to use that subscription. That being the creator must be 18 years old and have a professional or creator account that has at least 10,000 followers and follow all the partner monetization policies and content guidelines as well. And if you do meet all of those requirements, you want to simply tap on Instagram app and go to your creator profile. Here inside your professional dashboard, you'll be able to see an option called subscriptions over here. If you meet the requirements, you want to simply tap on that subscriptions option and you'll be able to follow the prompt from there to complete your setup on subscriptions for creators. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.